Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing Minecraft together and seeing if we can survive in this Minecraft world. Hopefully we don't start losing our minds and destroying each other. Frick, dude.
Do I follow you or do you want to follow me?
I don't have a pickaxe because you got one from the starter chest.
So
I got an axe.
So wanna just
I'll be a woodcutter.
I'm getting some wood too. Okay, just leave me out on the wood. So guys, we did turn off the thing so you can see us because now I could be right beside Tyler.
Yeah.
And if you guys see me, well, you never saw this.
Yeah, you never saw this video. If you can see him, you never
saw this video.
I never saw you.
You never saw me! How much damage does
Dude, I'm almost dead, totally.
No, you're not.
I have 3. Frick, the water's gonna slow me down.
Okay, surrender, I'm at 2 hearts.
Okay. Wait, you're at 2 hearts? Oh, sorry. Sorry, dude. Dude, I'm at 3 hearts and a half. Dude, you killed me.
I know. I'm sorry! You guys did not see that. Hey, what's your name tag?
I don't want to find you. You're mean to me.
Wait, no, please, dude. Buddy, please.
You're mean.
I totally don't see you. Oh, you gotta go? Surrender now.
No. Why don't you just turn this into a PvP world?
Stop. Dude, stop. I need to get my stuff. I think you stole some of my stuff. Dude, my pickaxe is almost dead. I hate you! Okay, stop. This is not a PvP world. Hey, stop!
Dude, why'd you take all of my items then?
Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, you did not see that. That was
just pure madness.
That was pure madness. No one saw that.
Yeah, no one saw that. We're totally not losing our minds in the first 5 seconds of this world.
It hasn't been 15 minutes.
No.
Oh, it's been 2 minutes! Oh my god.
Dude, we're forgetting something.
What?
Sorry guys, there's an ad.
The heavy-duty clock.
I hope you guys like the music.
Is it clean?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready to go travel the world?
I'm on this big tree.
Where are you?
I'm above you. It's really simple to get up here. You'd want me to show you how to get up here? Okay, we're going crazy again?
Okay, let's stop. Okay, guys.
Sorry, guys. We might be going crazy in the first 5 seconds.
Tyler, let's go to the mine. Come on, dude. Gotta talk to the viewers a little bit. You know that, right?
Ooh, yes. 360 no scope.
Guys, go check out Tyler's Roblox video. Literally a 0 views thing.
Yeah, there's a 0 views video.
Really sad.
And it's the only video with Weston in it, dude.
Good for you guys. Crap, there's a thing with a trident. Oh, what is that? Ow!
I can get him.
That's so cute. That means ass. Pop star, but the rapper still respect me.
We promise, guys, we're good kids. We might be 8 years old, but we're still good kids, even though we listen to music like this. I don't think this music's made for kids, though.
Okay, it, dude. Come on.
Freaking squids.
Where are you? Bro, where are you? Where are you?
There's a gingerbread after you.
I know, and mine's screaming because
I think I'm the other.
Dude, come to me. Come across the lake. I see you then. Come on, dude.
Frick on.
I'm like right. Yeah, see me? See me?
Yeah. I had a strategy. Looking on the Xbox to see what if I'm looking at you. And I have wood.
Like Harper, an econ major who piles on the pressure. Grammarly
What's
can
that?
help her stress less.
I'm gonna make some
Term paper's gotta be
logs.
great. It's a third.
What? I already made
Your
crafting table.
ideas are on the money. Let's
Good
make
old
sure they come
logs.
across
Okay,
clearly
follow
for
me.
Grammarly. Watch it work. Watch it. Wow, that is
I'm gonna
so-
use this dirt if I need to clutch anything.
Major who runs on ambition and
It's 6 minutes already. Okay.
my application.
Dude, we gotta
Guys,
get
like
her.
and subscribe to this video, and let's go. Okay.
I hope you guys love this video. We appreciate you guys so much. I hope you guys love us. We love you back.
We love you back. That's shame on you, Tyler. That just sounded so bad. Cheesy Tyler.
I'm sorry.
Cheesy Tyler, guys. Cheesy Tyler. Like and subscribe on this video if you think Tyler's being too cheesy today.
Sorry, guys.
Dude, are you coming on the tree or what?
One sec.
They're seeing your screen right now. Stop. Go. Okay, now they see you. I see a dog. Where are you? Oh, you're right there.
And almost played Industry Baby, dude.
You're
You did not see it.
Oh, you're right there.
You see me?
Somewhere on this map. Like, right here.
Oh, I see you. Dude, you're go.
Okay, follow me. Song. If I started flopping like the fashion.
Dun dun dun.
Ooh, mine. Come on down here, Tyler. Oh, I found a skeleton. Crap.
I can beat him.
I beat it on.
Oh, I'm at 2 hearts. 2.5 hearts. Frick, dude. Frick.
There's another one.
Frick, dude.
There's another one.
I'm freaking out. Nope.
I got a bone and it looks like a skull. Oh, I got it. Oh.
Dude, you're at 2 hearts. 1 heart. Wanna make a house under here?
Dude, no! Oh my god! I
Did you clutch it?
survived.
Did you basically clutch it?
Dude, come on. Here, I see a light.
See a light? It's just gonna be a lava, but.
Can't take a oh god. If I take half a heart, I die. Stay back. Please.
Is there anything?
Oh,
if I take 1 heart of damage, you have a heart.
I have no idea where we are.
Oh, no! Imagine I broke that piece of gravel.
Okay, I'm just gonna go.
My job is to make college easier because students have a
There
lot
it is.
of
Dude,
Oh, did you die?
dude, I think a zombie pulled up behind me.
No, it says you were blown by a creeper.
Dude.
Guys, I'm sorry, guys. We cannot play this song. This song is
maybe a little bit racist.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, let's just. We're sorry.
Where are you?
I'm not. Oh, frick, dude. Frick. And wait, we're in creative, dude.
How?
We're in creative.
How'd that happen? Okay, guys.
I hope you have a good day.
Wait.
But we're not gonna leave off here yet. We're just gonna try and find each other. Wait, I'm also gonna try and beat up the skeleton.
I'm bad as Michael Jackson.
1 sec, I'm gonna turn it in.
I can't see. Whoo! Don't burn. Don't die on me, Tyler. Don't set me up.
Sure.
Don't hit me, Tyler. Please.
Okay, wanna just send the video here?
I died.
Okay, I hope you guys have a good day.
We're gonna have to end it here. We know this is only 11-minute video, but this is so sad. But we gotta end it. So, guys, bye.
I hope you have a good day.
Like, subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow.
1 sec, I gotta kill the skeleton, and hope you have a good day, and we'll see you later.